Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, it's Billy here, and on today's video I'll be talking about the whole new Motorola Razr 2019.
Think I can fly. Think I can fly when I'm with you. My arms are wide, catching fire as the wind blows. I know that I'm rich enough for pride. I see you billion dollars in your eyes, even if we're strangers till we die. I wanna run away. I wanna run away. Just anywhere out this place. I wanna run away.
The Motorola Razr 2019 was just announced recently, like 2 weeks ago. Its body dimension when unfolded is 172 by 72 by 6.9 millimeter, and when it's folded it's 94 by 72 by 14 millimeter. It weighs 205 grams and it's splash proof. The display on this device is a foldable POLED capacitive touchscreen. Its screen size is 6.2 inches and 70.2% screen to body ratio. The screen resolution is 876 by 2142 pixels. The pixel density is 373 ppi. Wow, that's huge. The second external GOLED display is 600 by 800 pixels and 2.7 inches. It runs on Android 9.0 Pie. No, for real, a device this big and expensive should be running on Android 10 from the box, but I'm sure it will get an Android 10 update anytime from now. The chipset on this device is Qualcomm Snapdragon 710. It's a 10 nanometer processor. It's also an octa-core processor, with the first two processors clocking up to 2.2 GHz and the other 6 clocking up to 1.7 GHz. The GPU on this device is Adreno 616. The storage in this device is 128 GB internal storage and 606 GB of RAM. It has no memory card slot. The main camera is a dual 16 megapixel camera with dual pixel PDAF, which features dual LED, dual tone flash HDR. And on the front is a 5 megapixel selfie camera. It shoots video in 1080p. There's no headphone jack on this device. It uses 3.0 Type-C USB port. It has a fingerprint sensor mounted on the front of the device. It comes with non-removable LiPo 2510 mAh battery, which is way smaller than the battery in the Samsung Galaxy S10, the Google Pixel 4, and the new iPhone 11. I think 2500 mAh is pretty low for a device in 2019. It supports fast charging though. The price currently is about 1,600 euros. That's like 575,000 naira. Wow, that's insane. It will be available for sale by December. When the Razr is closed, you'll be able to access settings and some basic app functions and quick interaction on a 2.7-inch touchscreen. Don't know yet how this device feels and performs in that department. I haven't had the chance to hold it, but I really would love to. I mean, who wouldn't? The big question is, will people want to pay 575,000 naira or more for a phone? I don't know, it's up to your pocket, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and also the like button. Do share this video if you like it. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you.